Hi guys, and welcome back after New Year. If you've not seen the updates I posted onto Facebook, I have invested in a industrial 3D resin printer. So I've been having to play with the software and I've managed to pull out a few designs I'm more than impressed with. So these are available on the website now, and a few of you have already ordered them. So I have designed up a terraced house. Excuse the hands, I've been painting some models, but an N-gauge terraced house, which, if you can see, it won't quite focus there. It's got door knockers on it, door flaps, door handles. And bear in mind, this is N-gauge. This is only from the base to the top. It's only 4.5 centimeters tall. So it's absolutely fantastic. Sorry, it might be 5 centimeters. Can't remember offhand. But they are fantastic. So they're $4.99 each. Available now on the website, like I said. And the idea is for you to basically glue them into runs of houses like so. And the way I did it for my layout was to position it where you want it, get it right. I then just used super glue to attach them like so. Do it all joined. A base covering with a red oxide primer was the perfect brick colour. And then I just went back and added the extra detailing by hand. So I painted all the windowsills, the doors, the tiles on the roof, the back door, etc. And they look absolutely fantastic. There's a space underneath for you to reach your fingers in or tweezers in and attach your glazing for your windows. There's a possibility of dividing the layers if you want to add lights to different levels, etc. So very accessible. And I was just testing how small we could go with the printer for the time being, but I've managed to print out a very tiny telephone box. You can actually see all the individual window slats. I don't know if this is picking it up too well. But again, just a red spray paint, and these come up fantastic again with very minimal layer lines. And to be fair, once the paint is sprayed onto it, you can't see none of the layer lines at all. So again, this is hollowed at the bottom for you to square up some acetate sheet and just slide it inside to give you the glazing. And if you want to go the extra mile, maybe possibly fit a little LED light in. So the telephone boxes, they come in kits of 5, and again, they're only $4.99 on the website. So I'm going to hold back with new designs for the laser just for now, just to get a few more designs on for the 3D printer. I'm open for suggestions. I've had a few so far through Facebook. I'm going to do some static caravans someone's asked for, or like a camping scene, so some tents. What else did they ask for? Oh, some touring caravans, modern and old. So I'll give that a go and see how well they turn out before I release them, I should say. Someone else has requested a modern era style ticket machine to go on the stations, so I'm gonna have a go with that. So while I'm at it, I may as well do some like modern era car park ticket machines, so that'll be included as well. And ideas are flowing, I just don't know what to start with or where to go with it, so bear with me while I get my head around the new software and get everything working properly before I release them. I want to, obviously, with everything, I put them through my own tests first and make sure there's bob on before I release them to the general public. So any suggestions or anything you'd like to see me have a go at, a bit of a laugh to see my fails along the way, I'll also post some results next video I update. But if you comment below, I'll have a read through and see what you suggested for me to have a go in. I specifically designed it for the N-gauge, pitched it for the N-gauge, I should say, because of the detail I can get with it. So bear in mind that as well. But thanks for coming along for the quick update video. I'll put links down in the description as well to the website where you can order these from. And as always, postage is worldwide if that's what your needs. So I post to Canada, Australia, everywhere as always. So thanks for coming along for a quick update. I will see you again shortly. My name's Tom from Scenic, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.